DNB here. So today I realized yesterday I messed up. So this these three wires are supposed to be connected to this like this spot, but I connected it to this one instead. So yeah, I messed up. Now I have to resolder that connection. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. So I finally managed to solder the connection on after like I don't know, a whole hour of trying and failing and all kinds of stuff like that. So my solder is not hot enough today. I think that's because of the oxidation and the flux getting burned on the tip. So I think tomorrow I will have to clean the tip off before doing any more soldering. So yeah, tomorrow I'll try to solder these pickups on and fingers crossed. So yeah, that's it. Bye.